We picked up the Sugardale ham. This is unsliced. This is cured and smoked and ready to go. And all you really got to do is heat this up. But we are going to get this thing up to 212 degrees. And it's going to shred just like a pork butt should. Check this out. Hey everybody. Happy Easter. Welcome back to Coop to Grill. We're going to show you guys how to do a pulled ham today. And not like the kind you get when you're running. So we're going to start with the ingredients. And you can't do a pulled ham without a ham. So we've got this thing here. Like I said before, this has already been cured and smoked and everything else. And all you really got to do is heat it up. You can do this in the smoker or the oven. We got the smoker turned on to 250 degrees right now because we've got a fresh freaking blanket of snow in the middle of April. It's ridiculous.
Typical.
I know. So we got the ham. We're going to put that in a pot. I think today we're going to use the sweet and sour sauce.
Okay.
We're going to use the Blues Hog sweet and savory. So we're going to season it all up with that. And we're going to add probably this whole bottle of apple juice. And we've got our meat stick. So this is what we're going to use to make sure that we get up to that 212, which is what you need to get to a ham to make it shreddable. Mr. Grill picked me up this, I think this is like a 9-quart Dutch oven. Cast iron, ceramic coated. Comes with this nice lid. We've cooked some chili in this thing, but we haven't really put it through its paces yet. So we're going to use it today. The sad part is that, no, this fits in here perfect, but the lid doesn't. The lid doesn't lid. Alright guys, we're using the meat stick today. We've got it all set up in the app and we're ready to put it in. So, just pick a really, you got the bone here, just pick a spot where you're going to go all the way in. You can see the line. This meat stick has to go in at least to that line, if not deeper. And when you use these, you want to make sure that you are all the way in or you will damage the sensors on the inside of the probe. I did that to one of my meat sticks recently. Very sad day. And I want to make sure that this is down below. So we're going to go into here. And that's going to keep it below here so it doesn't touch the aluminum foil when we put that on later. Since we're putting this in the smoker, I am going to leave this uncovered for probably the first 2 or 3 hours just to get a little extra smoke flavor in there. If you're going to do this in the oven, you can just cover it right away because you're not getting any of that smoke flavor.
And apple juice right away, huh?
Apple juice right away, absolutely. Yeah, we want that extra moisture in there to start with. And there's going to get a little bit of extra smoke that goes into that too. And again, I'm using the whole thing. All right, we got this ready to go. We're on our way out to the smoker. It's a little bit cool out today. You can tell by the snow. So I've got this set at 250. We're getting up there. It's 230 right now. But in these cooler temperatures, we are going to tuck this in. Okay.
Oh, all right.
That's all we gotta do.
It's so big.
Nice and tucked in. And that'll keep our heat together. We're going to let this thing go about 2 or 3 hours. I'm not looking for a temperature. I'm just looking to get some smoke in there. So about 2 or 3 hours, we're going to come back. We're going to throw aluminum foil on there. Maybe crank it up a little bit. The goal is about 210, 212 degrees. And that gets that nice and pull aparty. I'm guessing it's going to take somewhere between 7 and 9 hours. Well, it's been about 3 hours. We are going to throw this on. My internal temperature is around 100, but that doesn't even really matter. We just got some smoke flavor on this thing. Yeah. We're going to wrap this over it. Doesn't need to be super tight. And that's it. We're going to let that roll till my internal temperature hits around 210, 212. We're going to pull that off, let it rest for an hour, and pull it. Well, our meat thermometer says it's done. Oh, wow.
It's a ham.
It's a ham. We got one of them. She's right there. She said ham. She says, oh, I like ham. This is what you're looking for, guys.
Oh, look at all the juice.
Yeah. Well, I pulled this out of here. It hit 205. I thought it was done because the top was, but the inside is very firm still. So we're just going to, look at that's partially shredded. Get it all down in the juices. And I'm going to put this back on probably another 45 minutes, half hour. It only needs to get up a few more degrees. Just tender, that is. Look at how just juicy and tender that is. That is awesome. Great. All right.
Are you taste testing?
Yeah, we're going to taste this.
Oh, all right.
That is fantastic. That turned out perfect.
Yeah?
Pulled ham. If you guys haven't tried pulled ham yet, you'll never cook it another way. Well, thanks for cooking pulled ham with us here at Coop to Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment. Helps grow our channel.
What are you going to put all this in?
We're going to put it in a pot. Oh.
And smoke it.
Yes. That's all
Wow,
we gotta
it's
do.
so big.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm going to get doing my thing.
Was that your taste test? Because I missed it.
That's all right. We'll do that again.
Okay.
I have on me. No, I'm very happy about this. Look at that.
Well, that's disgusting. It's very tender, though.
It is very tender. It all came out of the bone. Look at how dry that bone is.
I'm so not making a comment
Yeah,
about bone
good.
juice.
If you guys thought that was great, we got more videos right here.